morning. This is Cody Hoyer with ERA Four Feathers Realty. I am at 1181 Cholla Circle here in Sierra Vista, Arizona, and I am going to be doing a video walkthrough for you. This is a new listing. It's been on the market maybe 2 days now. We've had some good activity, but no offers yet. So take a look with me. So this is the outside of the house here. That is a new roof. They replaced it in 2020, so it's only 2 years old now. And the front door has a nice wrought iron security door on it. Let's go inside. Okay, so as you walk in, here's a foyer. And I'm going to ring the doorbell, make sure that's working. I always like to make sure the doorbell works. Okay, down the left side here, you've got some storage closets. Utility coat closet here. They use that for some pantry storage. The next door is pantry closet. And that brings you into the kitchen area. Nicely maintained kitchen. Refrigerator will come with the property. This home is all electric, so there's no gas. You've got the dining area there and the door out to the backyard. Okay, now this room was once the garage. It has been converted into a nice media room, game room, another living room, pretty much whatever you would like to put in here. Now the cool thing about this room is the standing wood stove. It'll keep this home nice, or this room nice and warm in the winter. As you can see, they've got a couple little furry kitties. That stand-up freezer is also available, and that door there goes out to the side of the house. Oh, hello, you want to say hi? Cute little kitties. Okay, let's go back into the kitchen area. And through the kitchen is the dining area. Now, as you can see, that's a pretty big dining table, so there's lots of room in there for a nice big table. Now, this house was built in 1979, so it's a bit older, but as you can see, it's been very well maintained. Go outside. Oh, and look, we have a welcoming committee. Cute little dog. So this is the backyard. And the side of the house here, there is an RV gate and some room there if you would like to park an RV or a boat. There's the updated air conditioning unit. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It's about 15 years old, but it's newer than the house is. There's a nice gated area there for a garden. and it has lots of potential for grass growth. Of course, right now it's just starting to get rainy, so we may see some more grass growing in the near future out here. We've got the 2 storage sheds here. And this tree here, I have been told, is an apricot tree. You can see it's starting to get some blooms on it. So there will probably be some fruit this year. And then coming around this side of the house, it goes up a bit, and this is where the potted garden is. And now the vines growing up against that fence there, those are honeysuckles. And those will cover up that fence for some more privacy during the spring and summer months. See, it's a nice covered patio here. Okay, let's head back inside. Okay. And here we have the living room, and it does have a step down into the living room area. And a step up as well. And we're back at the front door. Then turning left down this hallway, you've got the heating and water heater closet here. And to the right, you've got a linen closet right outside bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is carpeted. You've got a nice standard size closet here. It's got some boxes and stuff in it, but it's pretty standard for these rooms. Going back out into the hallway, and we turn left again. Here's bedroom number 2. So we've got bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. It has the same carpet as bedroom number 1, and it's really about the same size as bedroom number 1 as well. And same type of closet there. And coming out back out into the hallway, you've got some built-in storage cabinets here. Now this one's kind of cool. You see the handle on the top. It actually opens up for space for laundry. Right now they've got a little dresser put in there for some extra drawer space. Hall bathroom straight ahead. You've got the single sink, but there is plenty of room if you would like to put in a second sink. And you've got the bathtub shower combo here with some grab bars. And then on the other side of that wall, you've got the toilet area. So that is the hall bathroom at the end of the hall. Now, Here is the master bedroom. It's got the double doors, so it's got a nice wide entrance. They've updated the floors here with the wood look plank tile. Nice big master bedroom. And the master bathroom is here. And it's just like the hall bath. It's got the one sink, but there's plenty of room to put in a second sink if that's what you would like to do. And we've got the bathtub and shower combo. And then on the other side of this wall, you've got the toilet area. That is the master bathroom. And this door here leads to the nice walk-in closet. Now they've started clearing out some of the clothes, but as you can see, it goes back pretty far. Nice big walk-in closet. Because no master bedroom is complete without a walk-in closet. Okay. I guess you're wondering where the laundry area is. I walked right past that when I first came in. See these doors here? Yep, that's the laundry area. So right before you get to the kitchen, you've got your dryer and your washing machine. And both the dryer and the washing machine, they will come with the home. Okay, so let's get these closed up. And that concludes my walkthrough of 1181 Cholla Circle in Sierra Vista. Thank you for walking through with me. We'll see you on the next one.